Hey friends, if you wish to move or remove camera roll and saved pictures folder, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. You can simply go to the pictures folder and you'll find the camera roll and the screenshots and other folders here. Can you move them? See, if you go to the properties, there is no option to move the location because this is supposed to be the default location. But you can straight away move the location of the pictures folder itself. So if you right click on the pictures folder, show more options and properties, there is a location window and then you can move it to a different location, let's say desktop. Okay, so you can move it to the desktop. So that if you're moving the whole pictures folder, that's a different case. Otherwise, you cannot move the camera roll folder individually, and you can obviously restore these to the default. Okay, so this is how it works. And as for deleting them, you can always right click and delete these. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.